Summer also has its share of athletes from the Rio Grande Valley making some noise in competition outside of the area, including a girls 4x100 meter relay team, which just returned from a meet as the only qualifiers for the regional meet at the Taft Games in College Station. Girls 4x100 meter relay team, 8 and under, representing Region 2, had a strong showing in competition. We're the only relay team from the Valley, again, to make the finals. Be watching for the names of Aaliyah Alfaro, Catherine Conchola, Dania Casas, and Audrina Garza in the near future, as these 8-year-olds are out of McAllen are already making some noise.